Welcome back. It's Jenny. If you haven't already, please go like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna do a really nice bronze golden look, and to start off, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. To conceal my underbrows, I'm using the LA Girl in Porcelain. Now to conceal my top brow, I'm using my foundation shade in Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 228. To have my brows stay in place, I'm using the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. Now onto the eyes, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetic palette. I'm just packing that deep brown shade onto my crease. With the same palette, I'm going in with the lighter shade of that brown tone. I'm just packing it on top of that deep brown, and then later on I'm going to blend it out. After blending the two shades together, I'm gonna bring back the deep brown shade to intensify the shadow. Since I'm gonna have a shimmery cut crease, I'm gonna clean off my crease with a makeup wipe. With the same concealer I used to clean up my underbrow, I'm gonna go in and cut off my crease. Now I'm gonna blend out the edges of the crease with the first deep brown shade, and then after that I'm gonna blend it out with that light brown. The Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, I'm going in with the shade Inspire for my crease, for my cut crease. The lashes I'm using are my own lashes, and they're called Honey. For skin, I'm starting out with the Heritage Store and the Rosewater Facial Toner. This is actually my first time using it, and guys, it's really good. Like, it really hydrates my skin, because in the morning I get dry skin, and after the shower I get dry skin, and I put this all over my face, and it really like hydrates my face throughout the day. Now I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, and this is for the people with oily skin. So like, also throughout the day I get really mad oily skin around my nose, my forehead, and my chin, and this really helps stop it a lot. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in Matte and Poreless in the shade 228 Soft Tan. For the under eye, the forehead, the nose, and the chin, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. Now for my contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. You can use any facial spray. I'm using the clarifying tea tree facial spray to have my contour and my concealer blend out even more better. Since I didn't set my face before, I'm going in with the Airspun translucent powder and I'm just setting that all over my face. Now to set my contour, I'm using the Strobing and Shading palette in the Absolute New York. Now it's time for the lips. To line my lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Push Up in After Hours. And to have the lip come together, I'm using the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in Ashton. To set my face, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Once that I have sprayed and it had set into my skin, I'm going in with the highlight. I'm using the Makeup Revolutionary Amplify palette. For the under eye, I'm using two of the same shade that I used on my lid, so I'm using the darker shade first and then blending out with the lighter brown shade. And then on the other half, I'm going over with the same glitter or the same gold shade. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.